Hi guys, I just received this MI Redmi 9A from Amazon, and that's a good mobile in this price. I just got it in just 8,000 rupees. Let's see what's inside the box. Seems nice. You can see the MRP, which is 9,499 rupees only. Let's open it. Whoa, that looks nice. We have the phone here, that's sleek. Back cover is also fun. That's very grippy. You can easily grip with this. It will not slip from your hand. You can see the flash and the camera, 13 megapixel camera, and the front look is also looks nice. You can see it's very sleek phone. In this price you cannot get better than this, I guess. That looks cool. Let's turn it on. Let's turn on. Let's check what's inside the box. There is charger, 10-watt charger with the cable, USB cable, and that's not a C type, I guess. That's a micro USB. Oh, they are not giving you the C type. That will be charged from the micro USB. That's fine, because in this price, if you're getting this kind of a configuration, so that is also good. That's a SIM pin. You can eject from this and you can insert a SIM. Redmi, and most of the phones nowadays doesn't provide the earphones with the phone, so you have to buy earphones if you are using earphones. If you want to use your earphones, you can use. The screen looks cool. Beautiful phone with good battery life. It is having MIUI 12. Let's do English India. It's automatically connecting with Wi-Fi. Let's connect with it. Let's check how we can insert the SIM, what it has. You can see it is having a separate slot for micro SD card. 2 micro SIMs can be inserted with this phone. That's cool. Skip this. Long user agreement, terms and service. I have read the agreement and keyboard privacy policy. Skip this step. Use location, don't use. These Chinese phones come with different based UI, which is not 100% controlled with Google, so they modified it accordingly. Okay, so we have to secure our phone with lots of policies, security, privacy settings. That's what we can do. Classic is good. Say setup complete. That's taking time. Let's see how much time it will take. Setup complete. It is starting. Now check the apps installed, pre-installed with this phone. How many apps it has? Okay. There's a thin, screen guard already, covering the screen. So that's good. The phone working cool. Let's check the camera. Let's check the configuration again of the phone. I will rate this phone, if you ask to rate this phone, I will give it 4 in this price. And the quality of body and handling and the camera quality and the screen touch, everything is very comfortable. It's a not so heavy phone. It is having 5000 mAh battery in it. Still, it's not too heavy. You can easily handle this. It's even light phone, and it's sleek. It looks also nice. The configuration is also good. You can play PUBG in it as well, because it is having 3 gigs of RAM, and the UI also seems to be good. I will recommend, okay, if somebody having 7 to 8,000 rupees of budget in this price, this is the best one you can buy, with the best technology used in a phone, and nice look and nice battery backup as well. And if you don't have very big camera fan, so definitely you should go for this. That is a good choice. Thank you so much for watching this.